are you?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm good. So, how have you been since the last time we met?
Been okay.
Just okay? Why just okay?
I feel like I haven't really been putting into effect anything that we went over the last time.
Okay. So you feel you haven't really done anything that we discussed last time? Why? What makes you feel that way?
Well, I don't really have a lot of time to really concentrate on myself since I have so many kids. So I don't really have a lot of time to do anything.
Okay. Is it just the time that you feel is the factor that stops you from doing what you need to do?
Yes, I think it is the time. I have no time to really exercise, and I don't really have time to concentrate on what I eat.
Okay. So, what has a typical day been like for you with eating and your food habits?
Well, I usually, for breakfast, will have what the kids have. I have a lot of kids, so they have a range of foods from Pop-Tarts to eggs to cereal to cookies. Depends what they're in the mood for in the morning. Anything to get something in their stomach. Then I will put them on the bus to school, and some of them are too little, so they stay with me. For lunch, I have what I give the kids, or I'll have leftovers from the night before, whether it be pasta or um, whatever we have in the house, frozen dinners. I'll have a couple of those because they need to fill me up. They're very small. I also will have something salty because I always have to have something salty with my lunch, and that usually is followed by something sweet because when I eat something salty, I have to have something sweet. So that is usually what I have. Then for a snack in the day, I'll have ice cream or cookies or chocolate milk with the kids. And if I have that, then I'll have to have something sweet again. So then for dinner, I'm pretty tired by the end of the day, so we usually just get fast food, like McDonald's or Burger King or something.
Okay, so I can tell that you have a sweet tooth, definitely. And about how many times a week do you feel you find yourself feeding the kids fast food and yourself?
Probably 5.
Okay, so 5 times a week. What do you think you could be doing differently to maybe help yourself to make better food choices?
Well, I guess I could try to cut the fast food out and try to prepare maybe dinners and freeze them so that I can have dinner ready even when I'm so tired. Healthy dinners, maybe?
Okay. So how have you been doing with the physical activity and exercising? I know that you've been short on time. Have you been able to do anything?
Well, I really don't have time or energy to. I mean, I guess it's more of the time thing because I don't know what I would do with the kids. They need a lot of attention, so I really don't have time to just go out and exercise, and I don't know, I guess it's an excuse, but I just don't have the time.
Okay, so time seems like to be a big factor and you're always around the kids. Would it be okay if I went over some things with you that maybe you could do that to help you?
Sure.
Okay. Did you ever maybe try working out with the kids or doing something fun with the kids? This way it gives all of you the opportunity to be physically active. Maybe go to the park with them, or instead of watching TV at night, maybe you can dance around or do something with them. This way it keeps you moving and you can spend time with them at the same time.
I think that's a great idea. I think I could possibly try to incorporate exercising in with them, or maybe take them for walks with me in the stroller, and maybe try to do that instead of watching TV.
Okay. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how confident and willing are you to take these steps?
Probably a 7 or an 8.
Okay. Why 7 or an
8? I think it's just going to be hard dealing with putting myself, not before my kids, but trying to think of myself at the same time. So I think emotionally it's going to be hard for me.
Okay, so do you think that if you tried to do things with the kids and you planned ahead of time, that it would help you make a difference?
Yes.
Okay, so summarize for me what you're going to try to do and accomplish before the next time we meet.
I'm going to try to stop eating fast food as much by freezing my dinners and making healthy choices and trying to exercise, including my kids, so that I can kill two birds with one stone.
Okay, sounds great. And I think if you can do those two, you'll be on a good path. Let's make an appointment again for 2 weeks, and I will see you then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.